which I had. So I didn't own it. So I can rate two over there because I didn't had on
Mm-hmm.
my ability. Then career is two, of course, because wealth is not a career. There is no career opportunity. I'm seeing right now since 1.5 year I'm not working. So like career is no two. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so these are the current areas of your life. First of all, I appreciate for your honesty. You have done it very honestly. And see, why we have done this activity, what was the purpose of this activity? That this is your current wheel of life, right? Now, in this
Yeah.
10 journey, our aim is to achieve the maximum score. Okay, so for example, if not 10, it's like very ultimate situation, nobody can achieve. So at least have 8 or 9. Okay, now this is your now. First of all, I congratulate you that you have started making improvement towards your health. Okay, and the
Yes.
second thing,
Yes.
like you're already looking for freelancing opportunities, right? So
Yes.
you
I
are
agree.
making improvement. So see, you are on the way to forward, and then you will achieve. Okay, so first of all, a round of applause for Sachin for making the
Yeah.
efforts, right?
Thank you.
Daily is the one that he's posting photos.
Yeah.
And today rainy season also he was out, right?
Yeah.
So you are making an effort. So
Actually, I made
do
a commitment until I will achieve my 70 kg, 75 kg my weight, I will not stop.
yes, so that's the warrior Sachin, right? So you
Yeah.
are at that. Okay, fine. So Usha, you also want to discuss about your wheel of life, or first we'll go about a personality test? You are clear, or do you want to discuss personality test?
I'm clear.
Yeah, wheel of
I'm
life.
clear.
Yeah, wheel of life.
I think
Uh,
Usha has not
After
told
Sachin's,
the action.
After Sachin.
Usha,
Acha,
no,
he's
means Usha has done the personality test, but I think she has not described the which stage is pending and how she is in good state. I think this activity is not done. I think,
yeah,
right?
but actually in afternoon, we had a call, so we discussed
Okay.
it. But again, like Usha,
Okay.
it's if you want to discuss more here, we are open. Okay, fine. So
okay,
you can discuss more, and it would be like Roman and Sachin also there. So okay, fine. If you, it would be better if you discuss more. Fine.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
Because
So
even Roma, it's to, you all three are achiever. I am only the peacemaker over here.
no, I'm not achiever. I'm a helper. I'm a giver.
Okay, you are a helper. The Roma and Usha is the achiever. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So Sachin, now I will love to hear your speech activity.
Speech activity.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
You have
Moment.
written. So see, Sachin has written also.
Just a minute. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's about celebrating your life. As I imagine, I am celebrating my life, and my dad is speaking on behalf of Miss. Dad is speaking for me.
Yes.
So this is where start. I want to congratulate Sachin for his success.
Hmm.
Sachin always been a good son. The way he took care of me and her mother during the difficult times of us, he was very good and patient with us during our health issue. He managed all responsibility as well as a great son, being a said great son, and rest of all responsibility he took care of it. I can say about Sachin as proudly he has always been a very honest in life and
Hmm.
always look others needs and fulfill them and then he think about himself.
Hmm. Yeah. So yeah, read. I'm making points
And
in my mind. Yeah.
I'm glad and proud to have Sachin as my son and God gives me him more success, happiness, blessing around his life journey.
Yes. Now read with more passion, Sachin. This is about your celebration. Read with more passion. The
Yeah,
Sachin is a good son. Sachin is honest. Sachin is caring. Read like that.
yeah, sure. So now I read second one.
yeah.
Yeah, second is from my friend Ankit. He used to means he is my society friend. We used to spend entire time from since childhood. So he says about his. It's always been fun around Sachin. He is very honest person. The success which he achieved is because of his hard work and dedication towards it. The
Hmm.
way I found qualities in his life is that he is motivates people and always help them to achieve their goals. One thing I liked in him is he pushes to listen everything which goes in his life.
Hmm.
Sachin is a person as I known like an open book. There is no blame game in our friendship. He's
Yeah.
always take a time for us. He cheer us up, makes us laugh no matter what's going in our life. He
Yes.
brings fun and excitement in our life, and what that's why he is my best friend, and I wish him more success in life.
Yes, 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 yes. Now the third one.
Yeah, she is that is from my colleague. It's for past because I'm not working, so colleague. She is from my Accenture, which I'm just assuming from the past.
Mm,
So today I would like to congratulate Sachin for his wonderful achievement and success. I would want to say a few words about him. As working with Sachin was like an extremely very good experience. He was very good in his work and always helped me as a friend during the time of my relation issues. He was always there for me. He supported me, encouraged me, and bring peace in my life. He's a very jolly person and always motivates me, recognizes me, and pushes me to share what's going in my life,
mm.
and he's really very charged up and everything changes all of a sudden by sharing with him.
Yes, yes. Now, what you discovered about yourself, Sachin?
About the activities means like it's like I discovered in my dad speech that I'm very responsible and a good person and he is proud of me
Mm,
about it, and I really care about my parents. I was really means I really want to care about it because even I was having a financial issue, but I was not focusing on financial. I was taking care of. I was focused on them only because
mm,
I was not jobless. So I was really like care is very important for me.
mm. So care, right? Mm,
And my friend, it was a fun. Like his fun and achievements. Dedications were there, achieving their goals means helping them. It was when I kind of I like to help the friends also to grow. When
mm,
I've got success, I want them to also get success.
mm,
That is my, yeah.
mm. So the second thing is right. You are very supportive. What I'm making out. Am I true?
Support, yeah, of course, support.
Mm,
And there is no blame game in front. I'm like an open book. Like I'm not able to hide something in my life. I can always express to whatever goes in my life. I directly talk about it. I don't hide something in myself that something I have to protect something. I always open to what's going on, what are my finances. Everything I just declare it openly.
so
So this is what
honesty,
about open book.
honesty, I feel. I'm right. Honesty, I'm feeling.
Yeah, honesty. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Everybody also, I'm right, no, with about Sachin. So no, actually,
Yeah,
it matters what Sachin says. For Sachin, it matters what Sachin says, right?
yeah,
Because
right, right.
Sachin
I
is the
agree with
owner.
that. Honesty is
Because
there.
Sachin is the owner of himself, right? So when I
Yeah.
ask, only Sachin will say what it matters to him. Okay.
Actually, honesty I got from my father because I was always looking his honesty because he whenever something wrong happens he just get irritated or some does wrong he just even I did something wrong he always try to get me correct, accept your mistakes is and all that. So
Hmm.
he I received from him,
Hmm.
and the best thing is his birthday is on same thing like Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October, so he's born on 2nd October.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
So, and my colleague is already told that it's a good experience, extremely well experience, and I was like, I was pushing her to share her problem. Like when she was going in a relationship issues, she
Hmm.
always used to silently like having a problem. Like I can recognize person when she's my friend or colleagues. I'm working in since so long, so I always recognize her nature. And when she is not well, she doesn't speak up. So I was push up her, speak what's happening, what's going on, your problem, and I say it's like it's okay, it's a normal relay, everything happens in a relationship. I'm not in a relationship, still I'm aware of it, what goes in a relationship because it gets disturbance and doesn't match the values. So I am aware of it. So I always guide her and I really help her, means like to motivate her in life that she doesn't have to give up. She always like to, there's always something better is going to come in your life. So that's
Mm,
what the thing.
yes, yes, that's true. Okay, so what are the things you now discovered? Because I discovered what I already told you, three things. Another thing is that you are always there for your friends, right? You always, so you're a very motivation can be your baseline. Am I true?
Yeah, I motivate. Yeah, motivation is there.
Yeah.
I love to motivate people means who are just going with the problem and stuck there. Even I'm stuck in my life. I always give priority to others to help out. I
Mm-hmm.
can't help myself, but I can help others as well. Others on that problem.
That's a very, very rare quality. When people are stuck in their problems, they are so doomed. But you actually overlook your problems and look other people. So that's a very rare quality. So
Yeah.
I really applaud you, and I have noticed also. that how you encourage other people by whatever you're doing, by sharing food pics, whatever you're doing, and you were like an open book. I think we all experienced the openness of Sachin, right? Right. I think Usha is stuck. Usha is stuck.
Yeah, his net is, I think.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Hello.
yeah, Usha, you got stuck.
Yes, internet is unstable.
Yeah, yeah, you got.
Yes, internet is unstable. Always. That's the issue to my room.
Not a problem.
What I'm supposed to start with? It
You
was
start with your
what my
personality. Yeah,
hello.
yeah. You start with your personality, in which state you're most of the time, and
Okay.
yeah. And first, you start in which state you're spending most of your time. Your achiever personality. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So you want me to open that and
yeah. Just open up.
go through it and talk,
Yeah, let
or
me.
just tell
Just tell.
open?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
tell, because if you can, whatever you are comfortable. If opening and reading is comfortable, it's fine. Otherwise, you can just start. But basically, first question I
It's
want
too
to ask you.
long actually.
Okay, okay, fine. So, what do you how was that personality test? First of all, I just want to know that.
Yes, it was too many questions in the short time, and number of questions later on. What I did, half I was taking more interest and reading twice and thrice, and because sometimes while scrolling, by mistake also it was selected. Then I was forced to think like either this or that. Otherwise, I could have, if both are not suitable, I could have just left. But it did not happen because by mistake also it was already taken. Okay. So I let it go. Then later on, I scrolled and found, oh my God, half of the time left, and so many are there. Then I started running fast, tuck, tuck, like
So very
keywords I
fast.
was
Yeah, that's
picking
fast.
up, and then
Yeah, that was the key.
that is how I
So,
completed. And few things I just left it because I was not convinced either of them,
yeah. So,
that or this.
so
Both
result
I was not.
achiever is okay. You resonate with that achiever personality.
Yes,
You have
absolutely right. Yes,
you resonate
true.
with that personality, right? So you have seen the characteristics of that personality, right? Achiever in that.
Yes.
Now, where do you spend most of the state?
Correct, correct.
In which state you spend most of the time?
Uh, you mean to say which state?
Yeah,
State of mind? State
yeah,
of,
state of mind. Yeah,
okay.
best good state.
Yeah, yeah, and I understood, but I took time to think myself, like what should be my answer. That's why I asked it again. Okay. State of mind, like I would never like to give up in life.
Hmm,
And absolutely, I always try to stand out, and
hmm,
I do my level best or more than that to win it, to achieve it, than losing it.
hmm.
And also, I keep comparing myself with the other. Am I stuck, or are you people able to hear me?
We are, no, actually,
You are
see,
able to hear me?
yeah, we
Are
are
you
able
all?
to hear.
Okay.
Usha,
Okay.
actually, we discussed in the afternoon, no, that good, best, and average and destructive state. So I'm asking that question.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. So I feel you told
And
me.
that is why I'm not getting. I had to take that PDF and
Yeah, yeah,
then
please
start.
take that PDF. Yeah, please, please.
Okay. Hold
Don't
on.
worry,
Hold on.
it
I'll
happens.
get
It
that
happens with the
tab.
first time. Don't get worried. That report is very long, so don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Oof. Okay.
Don't worry.
You want me to read out
Yeah,
so much? My
not so much. Okay, fine. What? Don't be worried. Not so much. Where you spend most currently spend most of your time? In which state? Best, good, average, below average, or destructive?
internet sucks. Hold on. Hold on. Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
You want me to read out? Okay.
Read.
You believe you must accomplish and succeed to be loved. Consequently, you are industrious, fast-paced, efficient, and goal-oriented. You also can be inattentive to feelings, impatient. No, I'm not impatient. Okay,
No, no, no. That's
impatient and
which state you are reading.
image-driven.
Which state you are reading? Which state you are reading?
First paragraph, the
No, no,
achiever. Below that,
no. That is okay. What I'm
at
asking,
the best state, at
uh,
your best state, you want me to read? Okay, you
you
are
are
like
in which state?
Deepak.
You are in bad state right now, or you are in good state or average state? I'm asking this.
Hmm.
Uh,
Uh, I'm in good state.
okay, you are in good state, right? So,
Yes,
you know about destructive state also, right? We discussed, right?
yes,
After.
yes, yes,
So, what drives you to
yes.
destructive state?
What drives me to good state?
Yeah, what drives you to good state? First answer that. That is good, actually.
What drives me? It is the vision of the winning, in the sense positivity. My positive thinking
Hmm.
drives me to good state.
Okay.
So I'm the person, like, I'm an optimistic person. I
Hmm.
keep thinking positive, like it happens, it can be better than this.
Hmm.
And as somebody said, who said? Roma said, I think, no? Positive, no, no. Sachin said,
Hmm.
good days will come. It is going to come. Like I believe in that. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So that makes me puts me in good state.
Yes, that is good. That is good. And what drives you to destructive state? Destructive means
Destructive state, honestly, whatever the destructive
hmm.
explanation they are given, I'm not that.
Okay,
I'm not,
unhealthy state.
I don't,
Let's say average state. Average state means when you're not feeling good about yourself. Average means when you're not giving
yes,
good. Hmm.
if someone criticizes, condemns, abuses,
Hmm.
uh, without giving, by putting my self-respect down,
Hmm.
that I cannot
Okay.
bear.
Okay. Fine.
That is, for me, it is equivalent to death.
Okay. Okay. So for me,
Self-respect is very important. You cannot condemn someone like that.
yeah. So means respect can be your core baseline. What I'm figuring it out. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes,
So,
yes.
yeah. So now, this you have known that this for some person who does this, you go to this average state of yours. Now, what will you do, Usha, to come back to your good state? So that mental state,
Yes,
what will you do?
yes, it takes a lot of patience first to
Hmm.
calm down self
Hmm.
and to forgive the person who put me down.
Hmm.
Forgive him completely to the zero level,
Hmm.
like that person is not existing.
Hmm. Hmm.
To forgive and to come to one position, to one mental state,
Hmm.
and then maybe after that, it takes time.
Hmm.
It takes days
Hmm.
together, maybe week also.
Hmm.
And after that, like slowly,
Hmm.
because I attempted to forgive and forget and forgive,
Hmm.
then I look at that person like a new thing, and then again love starts.
That's very
That's very
true.
bad.
No, but that's very true. So, first of all, it's very you're very honest. You're very honest. Actually, to admit that thing, normally people feel, oh, why to? It's again, I do the same mistake again and again. But that's very human, and I feel
Yes.
Roma can connect with it where I can see the expression on the face. So, Roma, you're mute.
No, I don't.
You're mute. Okay.
I don't appreciate this quality actually.
See, now what you have to do, what you don't appreciate, you have to start not to do that. Right now, how will you not able to do it? You have to find answers. Okay, you will have to find answers.
Hello.
Yeah, are you listening?
My internet was bad.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So
Yeah, it was bad. Internet was bad. Tell me.
yeah,
Come on.
see now
Sorry.
you don't appreciate this quality of yours, right?
I
So
don't like it to go
yeah,
back.
Yeah, you don't like to go back. Now you have to find out a way. How will you actually, first of all, I will say that you should not hate yourself for anything, right? In fact, it's a very good quality that you have forgiveness in you. You have forgiveness
Yes.
in you. That's a very good quality, actually. All the great people have forgiveness in themselves, right? All the great people forget. But if that thing is hurting you, okay, now, how will you, and the same person who is not worthy of your forgiveness? I'm saying forgiveness is a good quality, but some people not worthy of your forgiveness. Now, how will
True.
you just find out a way, just think for a way? How will you let this not happen to you again? How will you do that, Roma? Usha?
See, yes, life, it is more complex.
Hmm,
It's not just two people.
hmm,
There are many people involved in family and in life, right?
hmm,
So it is a circle. It keeps happening.
hmm,
How will I avoid? I don't have any solution or any strategy for that.
hmm, hmm.
Do or die, you know, give and take, or don't give, don't expect.
Yeah. So don't give, don't expect, one thing you're saying. And the other thing you're saying, forget about it. Two things I'm noticing from you. Forget about it. Or because when you are only saying when I'm forgiving it against hurting you back, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
no. I'll forget first and then forgive, right?
Mm,
And then I'll be totally a new person. And
mm,
again, I'll fall into the same ditch.
mm,
And then when it hurts, it reminds me of the past.
mm, mm, mm. So see, I would ask Roma and Sachin,
Mm,
if something happens, like first of all, we are not here to advise, right? Because everybody has a different journey.
mm,
But if you people
yes.
go through the same thing, what you people feel like? In my case, first I will say what I will do. So if I am doing the same thing again and forgiving, and that person is again doing that, and I cannot move that person out of my life, right? Then what I will do, I will mentally block myself to forgive him, right? If that person is out of my life circle, I can avoid it, then I will block him totally. Okay, block him totally so that I don't get hurt. Because for me, when I come to know about that person, I will block it because I cannot get hurt more. This is my strategy. Now you just think about it. Meanwhile, Roma, what will you do in that situation? Because see, you may get answers. They This is their different personalities they are using, so you may actually relate some dots and you may come out with some answer, right? So Roma, what will you do in that case? Roma.
Yeah, from my experience,
Hmm.
I think, see, forgiveness, if you say Usha, is a very good quality.
Hmm.
Not forgive
Thank you.
easily.
Hmm.
Things stuck in my mind,
Hmm.
used to stuck in my mind for so long. I want to, but I want, like, I want to. I don't want to things to stuck in my mind, but I just cannot take things out of my mind, and that used to be the biggest issue with me.
Hmm.
Those, if I'm not letting it go,
Hmm.
then I'm like, I used to feel like I'm ruining myself.
Hmm.
I need to understand that I need to let it go.
Hmm.
Acceptance is very important. You have to accept. If you're accepting,
Hmm.
you're relieved.
Hmm.
And like these things happened to me for, like, for so long, but now with my conscious efforts, I have learned
Hmm.
to just let it go.
Hmm.
You're letting it go and you're not taking it to your head.
Hmm.
You are a peaceful person, and that doesn't affect me anymore.
Hmm.
Good or bad, nothing.
Hmm.
I have managed to learn a little bit of, like, accepting. Okay, whatever that person is, he's like that.
Hmm.
Accept. Don't, like, as a, like, you cannot just have a tussle or something like that. You just have to accept that, okay, whatever he's saying, it's okay, and just accept. I think, for me, I don't know for anybody else, but for me, I have started taking it like accepting it. It's okay, let it go. Wala scene ho gaya hai. So I am peaceful now.
Okay. Sachin, what about you? You also share.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, up to me means like as I can say one example. If as well my relationship with my dad was not like good after my mom expired, means we are not able to. Even my mom was there, but she was not well. So the way he was wanted me to do something, and I was not doing, so it was really impacting me, and it was not in my control because he doesn't understand me. That what kind of person I am. He was like tolerating me to do something. I'm like a lazy person or something like that. And he used to be torture me every time. So what I realized that I was trying to change him, but what this is not in my control. I realized that that is not in my control. What I have control in my life is my emotion. What's going on to me, and how I'm taking him in what he actions, he do his actions like words or whatever is impacting me in my life. So what I realized that like I should like try to understand him that what he's putting myself in his soul, like the
Mm,
what problem he's handicapped. Of course, I can understand the thing. Maybe he have that's a different perspective of looking alive, and I'm way the way I'm looking alive. So it was like no, not in my control. I can change him, but I can understand him what he's going through. So I can accept myself that he is not like really torturing me or something because he wants me to grow in my life, and I was taking it in a negative way. So
mm,
that was my understanding about it. I cannot change other person, but I can understand now. I can realize that I'm not much good, but I'm very good. Like I can rate myself within seven number.
mm, mm.
But I'm very good in him. Like he very good to talk to me. I'm really responding him. Like there's no violence, like fighting is going on in my life now with my dad. As usual in the past, it was really hectic. I really felt like suicide, something like when he tortured me. I felt like I should not live my life because it really impacted me very much. So now it's really good. Like I'm able to understand him. I'm coordinating with him. I always I appreciate him whatever he says. I don't take it her words like even he's right now also he's getting angry on me, but I understand that he's going some problems in his life.
Yeah.
So that is the outcome for me.
Okay, Usha, now we three people of our own journey have, like, I mentally block, Roma accept, and Sachin wants to put himself into his shoes, right? Now, if if you can relate something or you can find out some solution, if you can find out right now, you can tell us or you can WhatsApp us, right? Because finding a solution is the core, right? And that has to come from you because see your circumstances, your life, you know, so you have to give us the solution. You have to find out a solution. Like, and everybody has find out a solution, a coping strategy, what we call, right? I think I'm right. I'm using the right word. It's a coping strategy because we cannot change others. So we have to find out some coping strategy to make our lives better. So if something is coming in your mind, Usha, right now,
Um, Already we had a discussion, not a discussion or a declaring, no declarement,
hmm,
I can say, like we should live like strangers or we should live with no relation
hmm,
shape, just like
hmm,
housemates.
hmm,
And I also mentioned that I have already given the interview and I passed the first round of interview and I'll be going through other two rounds of interview and I'll see how life takes
hmm,
because my passion is also important for me. My identity
hmm.
in the world is important to me. I don't want to be a slave called tagged as wife material. I don't want.
Yes.
Okay,
So you
because my
have
daughters.
already, yeah, you have found a way for yourself. So first of
Yes,
all,
yes, yes.
see, it's a breakthrough, right, Sachin, Roma? So this is a
Thank you,
breakthrough moment for Usha. And first of all, I think she
thank you.
has already found it. And now to openly say it in a forum, it's again a breakthrough to
Yes,
accept it.
yes,
So acceptance is a
yes,
breakthrough. Accept yourself, right? Roma and Sachin, actually, you joined in the third session with us. So Roma and Sachin, when they shared, I think we, all of us have made a very good community by sharing and accepting ourselves, right?
true,
So
Right, right.
very true,
true,
and
true.
we appreciate because the solution which you have found for your life will work for you. Okay, and we nobody can judge you for that.
Thank you.
Nobody can judge you for that.
Right.
Okay? Yes.
Actually, what I realized now, so when someone advised me, na,
I
I
want to
doesn't
live a life without any judgmental.
Yes. Yeah. Live life without any judgments. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Yeah. So now your wheel of life, Usha.
Hello.
Your wheel of
Am I
life.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Mm,
Wheel of life.
yeah.
I don't know whether I have wheels in my life.
You have wheel.
Shit, right?
Yeah.
I have wheels, huh? Okay. Hmm. You asked me few things to correct it, and I have corrected. The
Yes.
rest of the things like I have not written down here. Okay. You asked me
Mm,
wealth. I don't really do not have any wealth.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
My wealth was my daughters and my health and the peace around me was my wealth.
mm,
So I don't have any wealth personally. So I have given 2 marks,
mm,
two, rated 2 for that.
mm,
Okay. My career is important to me and I'm doing good in my career. So it is 8 to me.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
And you also given the point, you asked me to re-rate learning personal growth, right? It is
mm,
8.
mm, mm,
Personal growth is 8.
mm.
Okay. Possessions, again, possessions and relationship. No, no, sorry, possessions you asked. Okay. My 2 daughters are my possession actually. Other than that, I don't think,
They're
I
the most
don't
beautiful
believe in
thing.
material possession.
Yeah. So that's up to you. That's you,
Okay.
right?
So it is 9 to me.
Yeah, that's great.
Yes.
That's great.
So I rated 9. And relationship, one more you have asked for.
Uh,
Relationship, did you ask me?
yes.
Okay. Relationship in terms of what? Relationship between you people, relationship between towards the world or towards the society around me or friends and family. So family is not one person. Family is, I have a big family. So it is very important. Relationship is very, very extremely important. So I want to rate it 9.
Yes, yes. So now I think only one thing is
Hello.
there. Yeah, I can listen. Wealth is only there. Usha, wealth is only there. Hello?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, wealth is,
Hello. Hello. I say, what is this?
yeah, wealth is only
I could
there.
not hear you.
No, no, I'm saying in all the other areas you are above that.
Wealth.
Wealth is only there which you need to work upon, right?
Okay.
So, what are your thoughts?
Yes,
How you
yes,
are
true,
working
true,
on it?
true.
Yeah. So, how are you working on it?
Why it has become very light? 1 second, I'll enhance the light. How am
No
I?
problem. We can see you. No problem. Just be comfortable.
Is it? Okay.
Just be on. And we can
Okay.
see
How
you.
am I going to enhance?
Yeah.
Okay. No, on that day there was a discussion like I'm not visible. Okay, fine. Okay.
No, no. In my session,
But
all
towards
are visible. All are visible. And
yeah,
no
that's enough. What, however, we yes. Okay, wealth point, like when I start earning, that will be my wealth. And I don't need a wealth to have a mahal because I don't believe in that. I did not come with that. And I don't want, I cannot go with that. So living happily is a wealthy life, according to me. Healthy life is a wealthy life. So okay, anyway, I have rated something. Oh, my battery is going down. That is why it has become dark. I'm very sorry. I'm really
no,
getting
no, no problem.
disturbed and disturbing you all.
No, no, no,
Okay,
no.
I have to plug on the battery. Hold on 1 second, 1 second.
No, no, we are there. So today was a great learning experience, right? You people shared your breakthroughs, and you people helped achieve her also to achieve the breakthroughs, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
you people are
Rock
Rock
star. Today only Sachin is rock star. Sachin कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो cruise पे?
I am going to, my destination is, my favorite destination is New York. I want to go New York.
I'm very sorry, guys. Yeah.
Great, great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, no problem, no problem. So you are saying wealth, like let her come back.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, so wealth, you are already making some process, right? You're already making some progress
Yes, yes, yes.
by having a job,
Correct.
right? So I think that you said in the
Correct.
that you already,
Correct.
right? Now, Usha, the time for you to reach the
Yes.
speech activity.
Okay. I made a small, not a lengthy one, a very short one. Okay.
But read with
Family person, that's my,
like the Usha is reading. Read like that.
yes. Yes. I will read. I will read like that. Okay. With full attitude. Okay. Fine. I will give more volume to it. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
We are
family,
excited.
Yeah.
family person.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm into it. Yes. Family person. That's my elder sister.
mm,
She says that I could have been a boy, a son to our family.
mm,
According to her, I'm good in taking leadership and my problem solving methods are too practical.
mm,
Also, I never had the fear of losing something at any circumstances in life
mm,
because whatever we earn by self motivation and self confidence can never be lost, according to me.
mm, mm. Yes.
That's what she said.
Mm,
Okay, she always says, okay.
mm,
And my friend, it's not a lengthy thing, okay, lengthy, two lines only. My friend always says that I'm a bold woman with
mm,
a clean heart. She
mm,
says my words comes directly from the heart. She believes that whatever I do, I will give my 100% to it. That is
mm,
all she says.
mm,
Okay. And my colleague,
mm.
thank you. My colleague says that I'm a bundle of positive energy with clear thoughts. Nobody can ever mess with me in life. That's what he says.
Strong achiever personality.
Never try to mess with you. Sorry.
I my intuitions work so strong. I follow my intuitions, and I'll be almost correct always.
Mm.
So
Wow.
I follow it.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is a power actually from
Power, power.
college days. Like that's a power. Yes.
Yes, that's a power. So, how do you felt about the activity, Usha?
Yeah, it's really good. Like sharing is caring, and that is life.
And what
Sharing
you,
is life.
yeah, and what you discovered about yourself, about Usha?
About myself, what did I discover? Hmm, what did I discover? You have to tell. I don't know.
I'll tell you what I made points. First of all, Usha is very bold. That's the statement in all the three speeches. Second is Usha is clean-hearted, straightforward. ठीक है? And the third is she's problem
Thank you.
solver. Okay, everybody is looking like you. Fourth is leadership. Now, who doesn't want to be friends with Usha kind of person?
I want to.
Your question
She
is
said, "Who doesn't want to?"
who doesn't want?
I
Don't
want to.
raise your hand.
I have spoken to
See, see, but see the positive thing. I said doesn't want to, but see the positivity of Sachin. He said I want to. He
I
Me
made
want.
too. Yes, yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
So
Yes, yes.
this is called reframing. So
Right. True,
when
true,
we are
true.
in the positive find, so even if somebody is making a negative person, the other person will make it positive.
Right.
Yes,
Yep.
yes.
That's the power of positivity. Yeah. So Sachin wants to be a friend, and
I want
Brahma.
to also be a leader so I can learn from him the leadership
Shaking
skills.
hand, shaking hand. Yes,
Yeah,
high five.
I want to learn my leadership skills. I can learn from you, of course.
Yes, yes, yes.
You have, all of us have actually. All of us have leadership
See,
qualities.
everybody of us
That
is
is why we are here. We
everybody.
motivated to our own self, so we are here.
Yes, that's the first thing. Yes. See, because in spite of all our busy schedules, we took time and we are here. So that means
Yes,
we are motivating ourselves. So I think that's the common baseline
yes, yes, yes.
motivation.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
Sachin got stuck, I feel. Right? Sachin got stuck.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So I want to share, I think I'll just share one thing because Usha has not
Mhm.
listened to it. So Usha, this 10-week program is like first week would be discover your inner DNA. Okay. So whatever these activities are, it is about discovering your core values. Okay. In
Okay.
the second week of the program would be integrated power coding. That is basically how to reprogram and reload new codes, right? That serve your inner DNA decision. I'm just telling what will happen, right?
Mhm.
Then I will be forwarding the
Okay.
manuals
Okay.
also for you to you, right? Then outcome
Mhm.
to all of you. And outcomes is like when we know ourselves and we know our codes and we reframe them as positive, empowering codes, then to achieve the outcome in life would be actually very easy for us. Okay. And then the fourth would be is to just unleash yourself, right? Just go for it. Okay. And fifth would be success blueprint. Okay. Which would be your personalized blueprint, which we will be giving to you. And unleash you also is a very good week where we'll have our buzz moments, which is passion with
Mhm.
skills, our buzz moments, our crazy dreams, our masterminds of people who affect us, so that we can unleash ourselves. And the fifth week, all these things we will actually make a personalized blueprint for each one of us, right? So that is the success. So this program works on our inner core. In fact, you would have understand that by knowing who are you, by doing wheel of life, by doing your speech activity, we are focusing only on the inner world, right?
Exactly.
Not on the outer world. All inner world we are talking, right? So I will now talk about our baselines, right? What is baselines are? So baselines are the core foundation, what we are made of, are the value system. Now, for example, I'll tell you one thing. I'll just give my example to make it more clear. And then when I was small, actually, okay, my father actually
Mhm.
always used to appreciate me for whatever good work I do, right? He used to tell me, "Meri beti to, my daughter is Saraswati, goddess Saraswati," because I was very good in education.
Mm.
So now my that appreciation has become my core value. I seek appreciation and I give appreciation. If I'm not appreciated somewhere, I will feel low. Or if I
Mhm.
don't give appreciation, I will feel bad. Oh, I'm not appreciated much. I should appreciate more. So that is my core value. So I'm just
I'm the
giving
same.
that. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So that is my core value. Okay. Now is a core quality that you own, you live your life through, and defines how you feel. For example, for all of you, I felt that three of us you told like being open, being straightforward or honest, right? Is I think in your speech it is coming, right? Are you agreeing with me, all of you?
Yes, yes.
So this is your core baselines, all of you, like being
Yes.
open. Roma also said being open. Usha also said
Correct.
being open, and Sachin also said open book, right? So these are
Yes,
actually very
yes.
conceptual words
True.
that you cannot touch or hold. But this is basically the foundation, your inner DNA, which you are based. Actually, you are made of it. And when you know your inner core values, you can craft the life you have always wanted. Right? That's the reason we are going for it. Right? Now your baselines develop without you realizing over the years. Your subconscious minds pick them up from your friends, family, society, and from your experiences. Your baselines may change slightly over the years, but not much, because you should have a defining moment for that. For example, if somebody death occurs or something big thing occurs, so maybe what happened, my baseline may change, but normally it will not change. For example, if I would say a family fraud happens, right, somewhere, right, where about property. So now my baseline in my subconscious mind is found that certainty is very important. That person should have made the willpower, otherwise this family feud must have not happened. So certainty has become my baseline. Now whatever I'll do, I'll find certainty everywhere. I will not take a risk. So it is found because of that defining moment, right?
Mhm.
So this is the way baselines are formed. Now for example, your baselines can be also found, like for example, you must have noticed, like mothers normally, I think they do, right? You are better, your sister is better than you.
Yes.
You
Yes.
don't have the
Comparison.
confidence, right? Or you don't always
Comparison.
listen. Now that person, the child will say, okay, I'm not good at all. Okay, fine.
Mhm.
So he will become that stubborn, or what will do, he will not learn to appreciate, he will not learn to give to appreciate, or maybe he will have a negative thought, right? Or let's say for example, baselines, how they are formed. I think in your case, I would say, Sachin, what is it like? You just Sachin said, father's honesty that has come to him.
Yeah.
He has seen his father how he lived his life by honesty. And Roma, like you just said, she is supportive. Maybe one of your parents or your friends and families have helped you to form this line. So can you relate? Who has helped you to make that as a baseline? Why are you laughing? Supportive or anything, which I just.
Yeah, maybe my father. Yeah, I have seen my father always. Yeah, I would like to say a little bit on this. Like when like I have seen my father and mother both are working, so I've seen both of them sharing the household activities and everything. Like I've seen my father doing everything XYZ, everything. So this has this is set in my mind so hard that after marriage I just can't imagine why my husband cannot work. So that is the main issue, that why you're not working if my father is working used to work. So
Yeah,
that,
yeah. So that is true. And in case of Usha also, like she's bold. So something must have made her that baseline that bold. What inspired you to be bold? What made you bold, Usha?
Because my father used to be scared of my mother.
Yeah.
In my whole family, nobody used to stand before my mother and utter a word.
Mhm.
So I was the one born to stand before her and get slaps nicely. Say something very boldly and get a prize immediately, like this. For
Yes.
saying truth, for saying the truth, for saying the rightful thing.
Yeah. So see,
Okay.
the
So I became like that, tough,
stuff. Yeah. So what was
toughest
the
person
defining
from the
moment?
childhood.
What was the defining moment? In case of Usha, defining moment was that father cannot utter a word. I have to take a stand, right? So she became bold. In case of Roma, the defining moment was my father is very supportive, so I have to support, right? In case of Sachin, the honesty. Okay, so everywhere I'm finding that our parents have influenced us a lot. In my case of my father. I think coincidentally all our fathers are have inspired us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Hmm.
no inspiring mother.
so
Very pity, yeah. Then my daughters should tell
yeah,
whether
Right.
inspiring them or not.
yeah.
No, I actually I relate to my mother also because my mother was very helpful, so I also relate with her. But
Mm.
honesty was also is there. Honesty is there, but no, I feel helpfulness is more for me. It's more when I'm helping someone now, I feel really very good. Honesty is there, but I can say helpful is more. Means when I help someone, I feel good, very good. So
Mhm.
that is the
Correct,
thing.
correct.
And my
Same. Correct.
Mm. So, so your baselines help evaluate and interpret what is happening all around you at every moment. It what decides if someone feels good or bad. For example, in case of Usha, I'm very sure that if she's not bold enough, if she's submissive, she will not feel good. If she's bold, she will feel good, right?
True, true,
Agree?
true.
Now, in case of
That's my point.
yeah, in case of Roma, if she's not supportive or she's not, she will not feel good. To feel her good, she has to be supportive, right, Roma?
Right, right.
In case of Sachin, the same thing. She has to be honest, otherwise he will feel something bad, right, Sachin?
right, right.
Same with me. If I'm not appreciated, if I'm not giving appreciation, I will like something is missing in me. So it actually help us. Okay. So the foundation of your change is your inner DNA, right? So normally, what we'll focus here about 6 core baselines, right? And if you make decisions by going through your baselines, you would be a happy person. And if you make decisions not based on your baselines, you would not be a happy person, and you will always be feel something is wrong, something is right, right? So by knowing your inner DNA or baselines, it will may help you to make decisions that will lead to success with each. Basically, what does success here mean? Success here doesn't mean only career growth. Success means having a fulfillment life, right? Right? So we will do that. So that is about baselines. So what I will do, I will all broadcast a tool, which I think I'll tell you how to do that activity. So in this baselines, what basically why we are doing, because uh, it will, if you're aware of your baselines, it will drive you to take action. Okay. You will know, okay, fine, this is my baseline, this prominent baseline. If I do action according to it, I would be happy. And you will also understand why I'm feeling bad, why I'm feeling happy. Okay, both the things. And it would also help you understand that why you are getting into some kind of upset mood also, and you don't understand. It happens with all the people. Sometimes we get upset and we're not understanding why it is happening, right? It happens because it is not aligning with our core baselines. So that tool will help us. There's actually a lot of words, actually thousands of words, which help us to find out the words. Okay, that will help you to understand and choose the baseline which relate to you. Okay, and
Yeah.
which will also help you to get the results what you want. Okay, so now before broadcasting the tool, I will help you how we have to do the tool. Now this
Is
activity is
base
this
is
is
baseline something like you about this belief, what we believe, or something like it's about that only baseline is like
Yeah,
that.
baseline is like, for example, I'll give my example and then you can also give yours so you can understand. Now, let me see. For example, I'm having a very good job. I was having a very good job in a corporate company, but I was not feeling happy. I was always feeling that what I'm good salary, everything, like everybody's what good enough. Now, I was always seeing something is wrong, something is wrong. Now, afterwards, when I left that job, I joined another company. Now, after going through this coach to fortune, becoming a coach, I also did this activity, right? Because this is too necessary. Whatever we teach, we have to go do this. So I discovered that appreciation is my core baseline, right? I was not appreciated enough. That's the reason I was always low. After having salary, everything, I was always low. So I can't be there in a system for long. And one more thing was lacking in that job, that for me, fearlessness is my baseline. I cannot live in a fearful environment, right? And there, like, boss was like, every time 9 o'clock, you have to be there in the office. Punch it. 9:01, he will send a mail. You are late, madam. Oh God, like I have to shiver like a bakari goat. Okay, at 6 o'clock, if you leave before 6 o'clock, one mail will come. So that was a higher paying job than this job, right? It was like, but what was happening? Like I was not happy. So when I moved the shift, I think work environment was not good. This was not good. I gave a lot of reasons. My boss is not good. But after going through the test, I realized that what was my core baseline was missing. That was I was so sad. And I left that higher paying job. In fact, my all my friends, relatives, my husband told me, "You are a fool. You're leaving that higher paying job and joining a company at a lesser package." I said, "No, no, Bapre, I can't live. I will die over there. Leave me, leave me." So you all people also can relate one incident, and then you will understand more.
Yeah,
So
I mean, I also relate with your fearless. Like when someone tells me that you have to be there on the specific time, it's like I'm something like what someone is controlling me to over be there. Means like I have to be independent. Means in Accenture, why I survived so long because my experience in working in corporate is like 1.5 year average every company. I just quit it after some time because I feel uncomfortable. But in Accenture, what I found is it was like I can come at any time. There was no boss like boss something like what was above me. It was like something like very casual behavior. I believe in a casualing, like not a strictly behavior. It makes me like suffocated. If someone is above me and keep me, why you're coming late, why you going early or something like that. This tortures me and just quit my job. No matter if I having another job or not, I just take a decision. I quit it. So this
yes,
is impacting relate to you means you're fearless or something.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's it.
And Roma and Usha, whoever wants to share first, we are welcoming both of you on the podium. Just raise your hand and grab the opportunity of sharing.
See, when I started working in Cat Academy, I was a counselor.
Mm,
I was supposed to be there by 9 a.m.
mm,
But I used to be always by 9:30 or 9:45 because I was supposed to send my kids to school and my man should leave home. And then I had to rush to the office. So whenever my boss was there, used to be there present before me, I used to write the correct time, that entering time, office in like login time. Okay. Those days it was not electronic. We were supposed to sign in the book. Okay. Then when nobody was there, used to be there, I used to write 9 o'clock. I think. Like, so that was discussed in the meeting, and they told that whenever nobody was around, Usha was at 9. And when somebody is there, Usha was always late. So it was a big humiliation, and it was a threat to me. Like, no one can have a control on that. And also one lady, my next superior lady was there, I mean, senior lady, senior in terms of the grade, not by age. I am always the elder one. Okay, wherever I went to work. So that lady said, if you have these many problems, then why do you come to work? Like, what is her problem? Every time I used to give, today it happened, today something happened. There used to be stories because I was married and I had children, have children, right? Oh, so I just left everything and started my own entrepreneurship. It is because I wanted to feel my own kingdom, like I am the queen and I am everything. That's it.
Because her baseline is power. So she
Yes,
started
yes, yes.
entrepreneurship. Okay, so she acted and she felt happy. Now, Roma, come. Lot of laughing happened.
I relate with Usha so much. Half of the Usha is Roma. I'm achiever, but not so. Yeah, maybe I'm a little bit emotional achiever, but achiever, and yeah, you're more stronger than me. Obviously, maybe you have more experience than me. But you said ladka, you should have, like you said son. I feel the same. Like I'm the son of my son and my mother's home also, and son, like taking responsibility, always the leader, always taking initiative here also and there also. It's always Roma. So yeah. And you just mentioned you kept coming late. Same happens with me also. Yeah, I also rush.
Many.
Sorry, sir, I'm late. So I also do the same. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's yeah.
Yeah. So everybody see how everybody is like going through their baselines only, right? So everybody is going through their baselines. Now I'll broadcast the tool, but before that I'll just tell you how to do that, right? So when I broadcast the tool, you will have lot of words over there, right? So what I suggest to you, go through the word, okay, one by one, and just check how you relate to them, right? For example, it should make meaning to you. For example, one of my core baseline is agility, right? Now how I relate to it is that I want people to understand fast, and I also want to get things faster. I feel very humiliated when everybody is able to understand. I'm the old fool sitting over there. I want to understand fast. So that's a humiliation, because one of my core baseline is like appreciation. My father has given me, like, I'm the goddess Saraswati. Now that is thing is that everybody is able to understand, why I am not able to understand. So I will make a point that I should understand. And that thing has come into so much that before the meetings I will do preparation so that I can understand fast. Right? So that is agility for me. So everybody can, like, for example, some people will say about physical agility. I relate to this kind of agility, right? So when you do this, you just figure the words also, what it means to you. So we'll discuss about that. So there would be a lot of words. So first you have to pick 24 baselines, right? And then you pick 6 most important baselines, right? And the tool is designed like that it will be arranged in order. Then you will be have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 core baselines, which we will discuss. Okay, once you are done with the activity. The activity will take half an hour. Okay, so we are meeting on next Tuesday. So before that, I request each one of you to do the activity, because without the activity, no discussion would be there, right?
I will do it. I commit.
Yeah, yeah. And who else commit? I will also do the activity. My 6 core baselines.
Here to do.
Yeah. So 6 core baselines you will discover and note it in your paper, because this 6 core baselines will form the part of the discussion. where we see in our wheel of life, you will discover and you will find it amazing. Each one of you will share that wherever you are low, that 6 core baselines, maybe only 2 are meeting, 4 are not meeting. And wherever you are high, maybe 6 to 6 are meeting, right? And this is called what we call that my baselines are meeting in one activity. That is called baseline expression. It is meeting. The second, where baselines are not meeting, that are baseline non-expression, right? And the third activity, what we will discuss about the change, how to be let that base that area of wheel of life be according to my baseline, right? For example, in my case, my career was at low. I changed the job. I met my appreciation baseline met. In case of Usha, you become an entrepreneur, right? So that is the change activity, right? So that we will discuss. So don't get overwhelmed now. We will do it like this in a lighter way. Everybody will share and but 6 core baselines should be ready for Monday to discuss.
All
Monday
baselines
or
can be
Tuesday?
met when we have a peg.
Sachin, you
Sorry, I
heard
didn't
what
get
she
you.
said? She
No,
said,
I didn't got it.
she said, all baselines can be met when we have a peg.
And I'm getting some disturbance. Can you repeat because I'm stuck,
Yeah.
didn't find the word.
Usha will repeat all baselines. Usha, repeat.
All baselines can be met only when you have a peg.
Okay. Okay.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So
You
I,
will be on cloud 9,
Then
sailing.
everything is like all is above.
You have got, you have
India,
achieved the success. You have
the wheel of life is like look like a wheel only. Everything is achieved.
Yes. Invisible wheel.
Yeah.
Everything
all,
will be
let
met.
me appreciate all of you that all of you have done the activity.
Thank you.
Yeah, who is she?
She is the daughter.
Daughter,
Junior.
Oh,
Oh,
hi.
daughter.
hi.
Her Xerox copy, no? Xerox.
Yeah.
Same to same. Very
Yes,
cute.
yes.
What's your name?
Lakshita.
Lakshita.
Hi.
Oh, she's on the Lakshya achiever.
Okay.
Name is also matching with achiever personality. See how
Definitely,
it's very
yeah.
interesting to know when we know our personality, you can start relating everything
Yeah.
by
Her
that.
smile is
Correct.
so cute. She is like really very cute smile.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Very
you.
cute.
So first, let me appreciate this is my baseline. So first of all, I appreciate all of you. You people did your activity, and that gave me the opportunity to take the discussion forward. So again, give me the opportunity by having your 6 core baselines. So when we are meeting on Tuesday, by having your 6 core baselines, we can continue the discussion and we can complete week 1 nicely and everything. But still, if anybody has any questions, I always say you people can message me. I will respond. Maybe not on that time, maybe because 9 to 6, and even after right now after 9 o'clock, I have a call with Riyadh team. So, but I will respond, and I think people know, right? I respond.
I will make a
You
mistake
do.
call as I'm morning, so I will be able to connect with everyone. I will tap the button.
See, yeah, it's a
Every day.
practical example. Hmm.
No, so 6 core activity. I will broadcast the tool. You people just have 6 core baselines. If anybody is stuck with the activity, you can message me. But activity is very important. Afterwards, whole discussion and everybody will share their experiences. So very nice talking to all of you, and all of you
Same here.
Thank you so
made
much.
very
Thank
valuable
you all
contribution.
of you, both of you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Usha.
Yes.
you,
What is
I'm
this?
here.
you get stuck
I'm
somewhere.
here.
So all of you,
What does it mean?
this means I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Good,
I'm going to meet all the core values. What is that? Core values. All
But not
Baseline.
having a
baselines.
pack. Without a pack.
All baselines.
No, in this
Without a
activity,
pack.
just find your 6 baselines, and then we will discuss about it. And you know it will be very interesting to discuss and how it is related to everything. how it is related. When you will share, no, then you will realize, because sharing, it has to come from you. Like today, everybody shared, no, I
Right.
really liked that you people trusted me and you shared everything, right?
Yeah, it's feel like very lighted. Like I'm like having a burden. I'm like feeling like very free and very headed. Like
Yes.
it's like really good experience I had. Really awesome.
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Sachin. So
Thank you.
thank you, everybody. So we'll meet on Tuesday. So till then, keep rocking.
Sure, sure,
Yes,
sure,
yes,
sure.
yes. Bye bye. Bye, Roma.
Bye.
Bye,
Good
Sachin.
night.
Bye, Roma.
Bye,
Bye,
Garima. Bye.
Alka.
Good night.
Bye, everybody. Bye,
Bye.
Sachin.
Good night.
Bye
Bye.
bye.